What's up, y'all? Y'all know who it is. You know what it is. Your boy JP coming to y'all with another how-to. We have a 2011 Hyundai Elantra, and this rattlesnake python-looking dash is a little intimidating, but it is very simple to take out, and that's exactly what I'm about to show you right now. So, first thing I had to do was take this little tool, this little flat edge, and I came in here and I got a little leverage because it has a very thin profile. Soon as I got my leverage to pop that up, I came back in with my panel removal tool and bam. As soon as I got the top part to actually come out, everything else followed suit. It is only held in by these nice green clips. I like the color green. Usually the clips are white. Either way, do that to the left side, do that to the right side, driver, passenger, whatever. And the rest literally is just held in by all of these Phillips. So I think we just had to take off 1, 2, 3 at the top, and 4, 5, 6. And that's gonna take this part off. And let me see if that's true or not. All right, so we got more green clips, and we have one harness right here for the passenger airbag. Get out with one hand. All right, so there's that part right there. Now we're left with 4 more Phillips. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go ahead and take those out, and we will have that bad boy right there. All right, y'all, so that wasn't that bad. That wasn't that bad at all. So take off 2 vents, or not 2 vents. Take off the little side panels on the side, and then we got all of these Phillips that have to come out. Boom, boom, boom. Literally just messing with the top part, and shit just came out. Let me go ahead and wire this up and let you see what it looks like when it gets finished. All right, y'all, that's just about it. I think it looks pretty nice. If you guys want to know how to wire up a radio, what kind of parts did I use, all that type of stuff, make sure you hit those links in those cards. The links are down in the description. The card should be up there in the top right corner. Other than that, this is your boy JP's Audio 08. I hope I've made your install life a little bit easier, and if I have, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, share, like, comment, all that good stuff. Until the next time, this is JP signing out. Peace. See you at the next car, baby.